Good day, sir. I am Celorio Princess Jane, and I will be the first reporter in Group 8. In globalization, global cities are major urban centers that serve as hubs for global economic, cultural, and political influence. They are key locations where globalization processes are concentrated, facilitating the flow of capital, information, and people across national borders. These cities are characterized by their strong economic power, influential institutions, diverse populations, and significant role in international affairs. So, an example of major global hubs are New York City, USA. This city is for a financial and cultural hub, home to Wall Street, the United Nations, and global media companies. In London, UK, this city is a major center for finance, trade, and diplomacy, influencing global business and politics. In Shanghai, China, this city is a leading trade and manufacturing hub, driving economic globalization in Asia. In Dubai, UAE, this city is a strategic business and tourism hub, connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa. In Singapore, this city is a global financial and technology hub with strong trade networks and innovation. In Silicon Valley, USA, this city is the world's leading technology and startup hub, shaping digital globalization. In Tokyo, Japan, this city is a powerhouse in technology, finance, and cultural influence. These hubs is significant in shaping global trends, economies, and international relations. The global cities' role in globalization serve as economic hubs. Global cities are centers of international finance, trade, and business, with significant concentration of multinational corporations and financial institutions. They facilitate the flow of capital, goods, and services across borders, contributing to the interconnectedness of the global economy. This hub attracts businesses, investments, and skilled workers, driving economic growth and innovation. It plays a crucial role in connecting markets. So an example is Singapore. Singapore attracts multinational corporation investors and skilled professionals from around the world. With its business-friendly policies, advanced infrastructure, and strategic location in Asia. Cultural crossroads. Global cities are melting pots, attracting people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. They are the centers of artistic expression, media, and cultural exchange, shaping global tastes and trends. It is a place where different cultures meet, interact, and influence each other. Due to globalization, these locations are often hubs for trade, migration, tourism, and international collaboration, leading to a rich blend of traditions, languages, cuisines, and lifestyles. So Dubai is a great example of cultural crossroads. Dubai attracts people from all over the world, creating a multicultural society where Middle Eastern, Asian, European, and African influences blend. So shaping global trends. Global cities act as both producers and consumers of globalization, shaping global trends and influencing how other cities develop. They are places where new ideas, technologies, and cultural trends are born and disseminated worldwide. This network consists of individuals, organizations, and digital platforms that influence how ideas, product, and behavior spread worldwide. So an example is social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter allow trends to go viral, influencing fashion, music, and lifestyle choices globally. Innovation and knowledge centers. Global cities often house leading universities, research institutions, and technology hubs, driving innovation and knowledge creation. They are crucial in the development of new technologies and ideas that impact the global landscape. These centers foster creativity, collaboration, and the development of new ideas that shape industries and global progress. So, example is Silicon Valley, USA. It is a home to major tech companies like Apple, Google, and Tesla, as well as top research institutions. The region drives global advancement in artificial intelligence, software development, and digital technology. Political and diplomatic influence. Global cities are often centers of political power, with disproportionate influence on national and international politics. They can be hubs for international organizations and diplomatic activity, playing a role in shaping global governance. So this movement fostered cultural exchange, economic growth, and international cooperation. For example, to work, to study, or applying international scholarships, to visit, or to migrate. So a great example for this is Filipino Overseas Workers, or OFWs. Many Filipinos migrate to countries to work in industries such as healthcare, construction, and domestic service in order to support families back home and contribute to global or Philippine economy, demonstrating how globalization connects labors, markets across borders. Political and diplomatic influence. Global cities are often centers of political power with disproportionate influence on national and international politics. They can be hubs for international organizations and diplomatic activity, playing a role in shaping global governance. This movement fosters cultural exchange, economic growth, and international cooperation. For example, to work, to study, to visit, or to migrate. A great example for this is overseas Filipino workers. Many Filipinos migrate to countries to work in industries such as healthcare, construction, and domestic services in order to support families back home and contribute to the Philippine economy, demonstrating how globalization connects labor markets across borders.
Good evening, sir. I'm the second reporter. My topic is all about challenges and global cities. So first, economic disparities and equality. Globalization boasts economic growth, but wealth distribution remains uneven. High-income professionals thrive, while lower-income workers struggle with rising living costs. Gentrification displaces local communities, making affordable housing scarce. So let's proceed to the next. Cultural homogenization versus preservation. Global cities attract diverse cultures, but local tradition risk being overshadowed by global influences. The domination of multinational corporations can lead to uniform consumer culture, reducing local uniqueness. Balancing modernization with heritage preservation is a constant challenge. So let's proceed to the next. Environment impact. Increased trade of industrial activity contribute to pollution and carbon emissions. High population density strains natural resources, leading to waste management issues. Climate change affects coastal global cities, making them vulnerable to rising sea levels. Let's proceed to the next. Infrastructure and transportation strain. Rapid urbanization leads to congestion and overburdened public transport system. Maintaining the efficient infrastructure while accommodating growing populations is costly. Smart city initiatives aim to improve mobility, but implementation is complex. So, let's proceed to the last. Security and cyber threats. Global cities are prime targets for cyber attacks, terrorism, and organized crime. Digital globalization increases risk of data breaches and cyber espionage. Governments must balance security measures with individual privacy rights. And that's all. Thank you, sir. And that's all my topics, sir, about challenges and global cities. Thank you, sir.
So good day, sir. I am Mark Luis Salem. So I am the next reporter for the Group 8. So we're done about security and cyber threats. So let's move on to number 6, which is the political and governance challenges. So coordinating policies across national and international levels is complex. Global cities often have different priorities than national governments, leading to conflicts. Immigration policies impact workforce diversity and social integration. So that is for number 6. So let's move on to number 7, which is the public health and pandemics. So high population density makes global cities vulnerable to disease outbreaks. Global travel accelerates the spread of infectious diseases. And next, we have strengthening the healthcare infrastructure and emergency response systems is essential. Okay, so we're done about the global city challenges. So let's move on to the navigating the challenges. So we have invest in sustainable development to balance economic growth with environmental protection. Next, promote inclusive policies to reduce inequality and support marginalized communities. Next, we have enhanced cybersecurity measures to protect the digital infrastructure, strengthening the international cooperation to tackle global challenges collectively. So that's it for the navigating the challenges. So let's move on to the important thing to remember about the challenges of the global cities. So understanding the challenges faced by the global cities is important because these cities are vital, economic, cultural, and political hubs with significant global influence. They concentrate many of the world's problems and also hold the key to innovative solutions for global issues like climate change, poverty, and inequality. So that's it for our report for today, sir. Thank you.